Global Family Day is a very special day. It is celebrated every year on January 1st. This day marks the beginning of the new year. It is a time for fresh starts and new hopes. People all over the world join in this celebration. They think about peace and living together. It is a day to remember we are all connected. We are one big global family, sharing our Earth. The main idea of Global Family Day is simple. It is a day dedicated to peace and sharing. On this day, we focus on what unites us. We try to put aside our differences. The first day of the year is symbolic. It offers a chance to start with positive actions. We hope for a year filled with understanding and a world where everyone feels like family. The idea of a day for global peace is not new. Many people have dreamed of such a day. They wished for a time when fighting would stop and when people would focus on shared humanity. In the 1990s, an American woman named Linda Grover worked hard. She promoted the idea of one day of peace. She suggested starting this on January 1st, 1996. Her efforts helped plant an important seed. A significant push came with the new millennium. The year 2000 was a special milestone. Many people wanted to mark it in a meaningful way. A campaign called One Day in Peace, January 1st, 2000 was launched. The goal was to have at least one day of global ceasefire, a day for people to reflect on peace. The vision for that first day of the new millennium was clear. We imagined a world without conflict just for one day. The United Nations plays a vital role in promoting peace. It works to bring nations together. In 1997, the UN General Assembly took an important step. It passed a resolution concerning the new millennium. This resolution asked countries to mark January 1st, 2000. It was to be celebrated as one day of peace. This was a significant endorsement from the world body. It showed global support for the idea of peace. While Global Family Day itself is not an official UN holiday, it is inspired by this spirit. The UN's call for peace on January 1st, 2000 was a powerful catalyst. It encouraged people to think about peace on New Year's Day. Global Family Day continues this tradition annually. It aligns perfectly with the UN's goals. These goals include fostering peace and understanding and promoting cooperation among all people. The day supports the UN's broader mission for a better world. One of the most important themes is unity. Global Family Day reminds us we are one human family. We may live in different countries, we may speak different languages and have different cultures, but deep down we share common hopes and dreams. We all want to live in peace and happiness. This day encourages us to see our connections and to celebrate our shared humanity as a single family. Love and compassion are also central themes. The day encourages us to show kindness, not just to our own family and friends, but also to people we do not know. It is about extending our circle of care to include everyone in our global community. Small acts of love can make a big difference. They can help build bridges of understanding. Section 5. Sharing Joy, How We Celebrate Global Family Day. People celebrate Global Family Day in many ways. The celebrations are often simple and heartfelt. Many families gather together on January 1st. They share a special meal to mark the day. They might talk about their hopes for the new year and discuss how they can contribute to peace. These family moments are very important. They strengthen bonds and create happy memories. Communities also organize events for Global Family Day. Some hold peace walks or vigils. People walk together to show their support for peace. Interfaith services are also common. Leaders from different religions come together. They pray for peace and unity in the world. Cultural performances can showcase diversity and celebrate the richness of our global family. Educational activities play a big role too. Schools and teachers can use this day to teach children about global citizenship. They can learn about different cultures and understand the importance of peace. Projects like drawing peace posters are popular, or writing stories about a peaceful world. These activities help young minds embrace the message. Section 6. Beyond One Day. The true meaning for humanity. Global Family Day is more than just a single day. It is a powerful reminder of our shared humanity and the bonds that connect us all. Its true meaning goes much deeper, touching the very essence of what it means to be human. In a world that often feels divided, this day stands out as a beacon of hope and unity. We see conflicts, misunderstandings, and inequalities that tear at the fabric of our societies. Global Family Day offers a moment of hope, a chance to envision a better future. It reminds us that unity is possible, that despite our differences, we can come together. It shows that people long for connection and a sense of belonging to something larger than themselves. The day plays an important role in promoting understanding. It encourages intercultural dialogue and mutual respect. When we see each other as family, barriers break down, and we become more open to each other's experiences. We become more open to learning about others, appreciating the richness of diverse cultures. It also fosters interreligious harmony, recognizing that different faiths share common values and aspirations. Values like love, compassion, and peace are universal and essential for our collective well-being. This understanding is crucial for a peaceful world where cooperation and empathy prevail. Global Family Day helps us think beyond borders, encouraging us to see the world as one interconnected community. We often focus on our own nation or community, but this day broadens our perspective. This day encourages a broader perspective, to see ourselves as citizens of the world, members of one large, interconnected human family. Our well-being is linked to the well-being of others, emphasizing the importance of global solidarity. Problems like poverty or climate change affect us all, and only by working together can we hope to solve them. Section 7. Looking to tomorrow, the future of Global Family Day. The future of Global Family Day looks bright. As more people from different cultures and backgrounds come together, the celebration becomes richer and more meaningful. There is great potential for this celebration to grow. Communities around the world are finding new and innovative ways to participate, making the day more inclusive and engaging. More people are learning about the day each year. With the help of social media and digital platforms, information about Global Family Day is spreading faster than ever before. Its simple message of peace and unity resonates widely. People from all walks of life are drawn to the idea of coming together to celebrate our shared humanity. As global challenges increase, the need for such a day grows. Issues like climate change, social justice, and global health crises make the message of unity even more urgent. People are searching for ways to connect and to affirm their shared values. Virtual gatherings and online forums are becoming popular ways to participate in Global Family Day. The day can become even more widely recognized. With international support and participation, Global Family Day has the potential to become a major global event. Future themes for Global Family Day could be very relevant. Themes like environmental stewardship can inspire families to take action in their communities, for example, focusing on environmental stewardship. Encouraging families to engage in activities like recycling, tree planting, and conservation can have a lasting impact. Our shared planet is our common home. Protecting it is a responsibility that we all share, and Global Family Day can be a platform to promote this message. Caring for it together is a family responsibility. Families can come together to learn and practice sustainable habits, making a positive impact on the environment. Another theme could be digital connection for peace, using technology to build bridges and to share stories of hope and cooperation. Technology can help us stay connected no matter where we are in the world. Themes that address current global issues will keep the day vital. By focusing on relevant topics, Global Family Day can remain meaningful and impactful for years to come. Technology can play a powerful role in the future. Virtual reality, video calls, and online conferences can bring people together in new and exciting ways. It can help connect global families more easily. Language barriers can be overcome with translator apps, and virtual reunions can make distance feel smaller. People can share their celebrations online. Social media platforms allow families to showcase their traditions and join in the global celebration. Virtual events can bring together individuals from different countries. These events can foster understanding and cooperation across borders. Social media can spread the message of peace and unity. Hashtags and online campaigns can amplify the reach of Global Family Day, making it a truly global movement. Educational resources can be shared globally. Schools and educators can use Global Family Day to teach important lessons about peace, unity, and environmental stewardship. Section 8. Hopes and hurdles. Keeping the dream alive. Keeping the dream of Global Family Day alive has challenges. It requires dedication and a collective effort from everyone involved. One challenge is maintaining momentum year after year. The initial excitement can wane, making it difficult to keep the spirit alive. It is easy for a day to become just another holiday, losing its unique significance amidst other celebrations. Without active effort, its deeper meaning can fade. Conversations and actions must continually reinforce its importance. Overcoming cynicism or indifference is also hard. Many people are skeptical about the impact of a single day. Some may feel that one day of peace is not enough, or that the world's problems are too big to be addressed in such a short time. We must constantly renew our commitment. Each year we need to remind ourselves why this day matters. Another hurdle is translating the spirit of one day into actions that last throughout the year. It's about making a lasting impact. Celebrating peace on January 1st is a good start, but the goal is to live peacefully every day. This requires mindfulness and consistent effort. This requires ongoing effort from everyone in our families, communities, and nations. It's a collective responsibility. The day should inspire lasting changes in behavior. and a continuous pursuit of understanding. Education and awareness are key. Despite challenges, there are many hopes for Global Family Day. It symbolizes unity and the potential for global harmony. We hope it continues to inspire grassroots movements. Local initiatives can drive significant change. Small groups of people can make a big impact when they work together for a common cause. Collective action amplifies individual efforts. We hope individuals continue to find personal meaning in the day, making their own commitments to peace and kindness. Personal pledges can lead to broader societal change. Section 9. A shared promise why we must continue to celebrate. Let us remember what Global Family Day means. It is a day for peace, unity and sharing. It falls on the first day of the new year, a time for hope and new beginnings. It reminds us that we are all part of one human family, sharing this beautiful planet as our home. This simple idea has profound implications for how we live together and treat each other. Celebrating Global Family Day is more important than ever. Our world faces many complex challenges. Conflicts, environmental issues, and inequalities persist. These problems require global cooperation to solve. Global Family Day fosters the spirit of cooperation. It encourages us to see our common interests and to work together for a shared future. It is a beacon of hope in troubled times. We should all embrace the spirit of this day. We can celebrate in our own ways with our families, friends, and communities. We can share a meal, a kind word, or a helping hand. And